Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my stepmom's adobo. I love using pork belly for this. You can use chicken for this, but I love the fatty pork pieces. First, we're going to marinate with Sprite, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and some black pepper. Let this marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now we're separating the marinade from the meat. Save that for later. In a large skillet, we're adding garlic, onions, and ginger. We're going to saute that for a few minutes. Add in your marinated pork belly. Cook this for about 5 minutes, and we're gonna add the marinade back in. I'm also adding some water and some bay leaves. Bring it to a boil, and we're gonna let that go for about 30 minutes. Adding in our key ingredient, vinegar. Reduce the heat, and now we're gonna let the sauce thicken up a little bit for a few more minutes. Set that aside, and now we're gonna saute up the potatoes. Adding the pork belly back in, let that cook for another few minutes so the flavors all marry together. I'm just eating this over white steamed rice, and ta-da! That's it. So easy and so yummy. Let's try it.
So good. This is the biggest part. Yum.